Hi, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to walk you through week 2 of our course. So this week focuses on college success and communication. In part 1, we're going through Thursday. You start to see a pattern in the things that you need to do each week. So you'll have your readings and your quiz. You'll do your mindful moment reflection. And then you'll have 2 assignments due. The first is a library assignment, just practicing using the online library resources. And secondly, you'll have an assignment about growth mindset. So this is sort of a perspective that you can take as a college student that can help you to be more positive and to focus on your growth rather than your failure. So it's a way to sort of see things in a different light and enjoy learning a little bit more. So hopefully that will be helpful to you. In part 2, we'll focus on communication. You'll have readings and a quiz related to that topic. You will also practice writing a formal sort of correct email to your professor so that we practice that communication skill. Some professors are very picky about the way that you write emails to them, and practicing this skill will also play out as in a positive way in other areas of your life. You'll also do this assignment, which will help you think about your career and your personality type, and do the Focus 2 assignment. So make sure that you check out the video from the counselor and you spend some time going through this assignment to think about your interest areas as you think about majors and potential careers. So hopefully you can have some fun with that this week, thinking about all your possible options for your future. If you have any questions, please let me know.